let's pretend that you knew, you could foresee everything that would happen. Nothing would be a surprise for you, and everything that ever happened to you, you knew beforehand. You would never be surprised. You would never be disappointed. But would that be the life that you would like to live? It would be a very boring life, I guess. If nothing unsuspected ever happened to you. Nice acoustic here.
Acoustic.
I'm reading a book, or I'm listening to a book by Ryan Holiday, and the title of the book is Stillness is the Key. Stillness is the key. And I have a quote from that book, and it says, there is no stillness for people who cannot enjoy things as they are. There is no stillness for people. There is no stillness for you if you cannot enjoy things as they are. And there's a lot of truth behind that quote. It's been a very windy day. It's gone on and off with the wind, and now it's a wind of stillness, really. So to be even more philosophical, you can say that life is like that. Sometimes it's windy and sometimes it's still. But I think we can have much more stillness in our lives by just accepting what's happening. In front of us here you can see typical Swedish camping, nature camping. So this is a place where you can take your caravan or tent or whatever you have, and you can stay here with a nice sea view. You have access to showers and facilities and supplies and golf courses and things like that. I think he's faster than me.